Hi everyone, with my work. Today I shall to you about the topics. Introduce about yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. My name is Cường. I'm 20 years old. I was born and grew up in Bắc Giang. It's a very nice city. Right now I'm a student. I'm studying very hard every day. I'm choose to be here because I'm eager to learn. I'm enjoying learning English. I speak English everywhere and all the time. I like making friends and get along with everyone. In my free time, I like listening to music, reading books. I'm happy to meet you all. I believe we will become good friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.